Hi everyone! So in this video, we're going to go ahead and talk about the hazardous materials diamond, also known as the Hazmat Diamond. So the Hazmat Diamond, as you see here, has a bunch of different colors, different numbers, and it is a way that we can succinctly describe the potential dangers of a chemical. So let's first think about the colors. So each of the colors represents a different category where we could have some potential danger. So blue refers to anything health related. So does it cause cancer? Is it hazardous to our lungs? Things like that. Red is flammability. So how likely is the material to catch on fire? Yellow is reactivity. So how explosive or likely is something to react? And then white is just kind of an area for any special notes. And we'll go over that in a few minutes. Also, as you can see, we have different numbers on our Hazmat Diamond, and the numbers will range from 0 all the way up to number 4. 0 means there's absolutely no hazard for that category. So if we look at this example diamond, we see we have a 0 in the fire hazard category for red and 0 in the yellow category. That means it will not catch on fire and it is not overly reactive. Now, as we increase the number, it becomes more hazardous. So 1 is a slight hazard, 2 is moderate. So this is a moderate health hazard, so you want to be careful, limit exposure, make sure you're not doing anything like ingesting it or maybe breathing it in. 3 is moderately dangerous, and then 4 is extremely dangerous. You really want to make sure you know what you're doing when you're handling that compound. Now, for that white area at the bottom, the special notes, there's a couple different symbols that you can see. A W with lines through it means that it reacts with water, so you don't want to add water to that compound. OX stands for an oxidizer, which means it is capable of burning without an air supply. So most things need oxygen to burn. Oxidizers do not. SA stands for simple asphyxiant gas. This means that it will displace all of the oxygen from a room, which is really, really bad because humans need oxygen to breathe. So we want to make sure that simple asphyxiant gases do not get let loose into a room we're in. The next one you've probably seen before, like the doctor's office, if we were getting a shot or something like that, a biological hazard. And then the final one is for radioactive materials. And we oftentimes see that kind of bullseye target with yellow in the background for radioactive materials. Okay, so if we look at this sign, we want to evaluate what the biggest danger is according to the sign. So go ahead and think about it for a few seconds. Pause the video. Okay, so for this sign, we see that there is a 3 in the red category. That means it is very flammable. It's going to catch on fire very easily. We want to make sure to keep things like flames and sparks away from this material. The 1 in the blue health category means it's a slight risk. There is absolutely no risk, though, for reactivity for this material. Okay, so let's try another one. What is the biggest health hazard according to this sign, and what should you not mix with this chemical? So go ahead, pause it, think about it, and answer the questions. Okay, so this material is very dangerous to our health. It's a 3 in the blue category, meaning we want to be careful that we're not getting on our skin, we're not breathing in, things like that. It is not at all flammable, which is a good thing. It is a little reactive with a 1. And then to answer that second question, what should we not mix with this chemical? We should not mix water because we have that W with a line through it. So it is reactive with water. Do not mix it with water. So I hope that helps explain some of those hazmat diamonds, things you've probably seen around in life before, but you never quite knew what they mean. So now when you see them, go ahead and interpret them. And I hope you enjoy this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.